In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment reminder and set up automatic bill payments in Monzo. Let's start with chasing money you're owed. Open the Monzo app on your phone and head to the Payments tab. This is the hub for anything you send, receive, or request, so it's the quickest place to manage outstanding payments and settle up with friends. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct tab so you can see everything related to your payments in one place. Next, tap Bill Splits and Requests. This section gathers the payment requests you've created or received through shared tabs, split bills, or one-off requests. It's designed to make it easy to follow up without awkward messages or separate apps. If a request is pending and the other person hasn't paid yet, you'll find it listed here. Select the payment request you want to chase. You'll see the details at a glance, including who owes you and the amount. From here, send a nudge or reminder. This sends a polite prompt within Monzo that lets the person know there's still something to pay. It doesn't create a new request. It simply brings the original one back to the top of their attention. Keep it friendly and try not to overdo it. One well-timed reminder is usually enough. Before you nudge, double-check the amount and any notes so there's no confusion on their end. Now let's talk about your own bills. Monzo doesn't offer a dedicated reminder feature for paying your personal bills manually. Instead, the best practice is to let payments run themselves on schedule so nothing gets missed. You can do this in two ways: scheduled payments and direct debits. Scheduled payments, sometimes known as standing orders, are ideal for fixed amounts that go out on the same date each month, like rent or a regular subscription. You set the amount and the date, and it sends automatically. Direct debits, on the other hand, allow a company to collect what you owe, which is perfect for bills that vary, like utilities. The company submits the amount, and Monzo pays it automatically on or just after the due date. Choose the option that matches your bill type, fixed or variable, and make sure you have enough money in your account ahead of the date so everything runs smoothly. Automated payments remove the need for manual reminders, reduce the chance of late fees, and help keep your cash flow predictable. That's it. Send nudges for unpaid requests and automate your own bills with scheduled payments or direct debits so everything stays on track.